In this video, I'll show you how to turn off real-time protection on your Windows 11 computer. Normally, it's not recommended to disable real-time protection because it helps keep your PC safe. However, there may be times when you need to turn it off, such as when troubleshooting an app or checking a performance issue. To turn it off, click on the Start menu and type Windows Security in the search box. Open Windows Security from the results. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and find Virus and Threat Protection Settings, then click on Manage Settings. Now, turn off the real-time protection option by clicking the toggle switch. You may see a Windows Security pop-up asking for permission. Click Yes to continue. That's it. Real-time protection is now turned off. If you want to enable it again later, simply go back to the same page and turn the toggle back on. And that's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.